收到啦。
講翻回錢，我見到都係真。
咩啊？攞多錢？
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
嗯，清楚。OK， 各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個威聲先好啊！
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情報右邊
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦，路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚過你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊
Fucking hell!
！Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
香港警察，過嚟嚟啊
Let's go! Let's go!
Come on! Oh, what's the next? You see anyone? I think they're at the wall, crazy fuck! Shit! Stay with me! Come on, hurry up! They're on us! Come on, come on!
香港警民即刻投降！即刻投降！
Fish! I hate fish! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going! They're not getting me!
冇喐！
What's with these guys? 啱啱突翻個安位咁。Son of a bitch!
香港警察啊，即刻投降！
Get out！ 唔好喐！捉住佢！捉住佢！唔好俾佢走啦！
捉住佢！捉住佢！走唔好啦！呢個，我要拉你！咪喐啊！我要拉你！
Shit！ 過嚟嚟啊！你已經被包圍。
警察，咪喐！我哋而家要拘捕你。
Come on, we can work something out, right?
唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講。但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，而且成為呈堂證供。你明白？